Today I will compare two TV in this video. So let's go. Now enjoy this video. Firstly, we start display. Display type LCD. Panel type VA. Backlight mini LED. Screen size 55, 65, 75, 85 inch USA, Europe. Display resolution 4K. Refresh rate 120 Hz and 144 Hz. Brightness 1000 nits. Display colors 1070 million. Pixel density 45 ppi and 68 ppi. Color bit 10 bit. Response time 1 millisecond. Contrast ratio 6000:1. Video processor Alpha 8 Gen 2. HDMI variable refresh rate yes. Consumer electronic control yes. Auto low latency mode yes. Anti-reflection coating yes. Ambient light sensor yes. High gig yes. HDR formats HDR10 hybrid long gamma Dolby Vision IQ. Part 2 connectivity. HDMI version HDMI 2.1. HDMI ports 4. USB ports 2 into USB-A. Wi-Fi 6 802.11ax. Bluetooth 5.3. 3.5 mm audio jack yes. Part 3 features. TV platform Web OS. Version at launch 25. OS updates yes. AirPlay yes. HomeKit yes. Voice assistance Google Assistant Alexa. Search browser Amazon Prime Video, Apple TV app, Disney Plus, HBO Max, Hulu, Netflix, YouTube. Part 4 audio. Speakers yes. HDMI ARC and EARC yes. Dolby Atmos yes. Dolby Digital Plus yes. Dolby AC3 AC4 yes. Stereo speakers yes. Subwoofer yes. Part 5 design. Dimensions 1258 into 2182 into 110.4 mm. Weight 65.1 kg and 31.4 kg. Wall mount 400 into 300 mm. Special features Zone TVA. Cinema design Game optimizer dashboard. Tuners attached 1.0 USA. DVB T2 S2 C Europe. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to my channel.